before this morning, and there was a
So
lot of talk about how choppy it
we've just
was,
got
how
so
there wasn't so
much.
much success there from a lot of our viewers.
Let me
But
close this off here. We've just got so much going on in the market right now. It's like I'm expecting consolidation into the end of Q2, heading into Q3, um, and into the summertime. I feel like, we've had these tremendous pushes to the upside on the NASDAQ, right? These just thriving pushes from the tech. The tech has just been going crazy out here, right? And it's been pumping the market, which is nice. Well, pumping the NASDAQ, I should say. And so personally, what I'm expecting is for price to kind of top out here shortly without putting in a extremely larger high. And that would mean that I'm kind of looking for a consolidation into the summertime. So, after we've made these large pushes up, we broke the trend line here, didn't break it actually, but I think this is a potential fake out to go higher to then short the market down into these levels in here. So we may get this push, this consolidation push to the upside, then we look for shorts in here, and we're really shorting this market all the way past this trend line again, back down into past these lows, right? Past into this 4 hour uh, or 8 hour support and resistance, right? 4 to 8 hour support and resistance. Boom. So we can come down into here. This is again, another great level for price to potentially consolidate in. So after this sell, you could see large consolidation, right? More buildup. And if everything looks good in tech into uh, Q end of Q3, well, probably not. Probably more like Q4, um, mid Q4 into next year, you'll see the rise in the Nasdaq again, right? You'll see the money come in, right? Also, depending on this debt ceiling, if this debt ceiling comes in, then you'll get a influx of money into the market, which will rise the market again. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But for now, this is my outlook. And on a smaller time frame, I know there's quite a bit of lines on here. That's just because I was doing some dumb shit. But let's see, dumb stuff. All right. So now you see how price is just kind of trending up here in this little small consolidation. We pushed up, had these strong bullish pushes over here as well. Bullish, bullish. Price comes down, right? Boom, back bullish again, right? And then now we're getting up into these levels, these higher levels, but we're also about to tap into this level over here, this level of resistance right here. Also, um, this would be like a liquidity point as well, I guess. I'm not sure if it's going to go past this liquidity point and maybe come up into here, or even up into here. I'm not quite sure, but I do just have some gutted feeling that we will get some type of retracement in this market just because we've been so damn bullish for so long, and we're going into, like I said, summertime, which not much really happens in summertime. Market tends to slow down a lot. So slowdown means, uh, you know, not so many big moves. So we'll see what happens here. Like I said, next week, really going to be looking for shorts because of these big pushes up. I feel like they need to reprice in, so they'll be rolling price over to go lower up here. And that's what I'm going to be looking for. And so stay patient. This move was a beautiful move this week too. I caught this move yesterday at 11 o'clock. Unfortunately, I didn't hold. I only held for 70 points, which was about here to here, something like that. And then after that, price continued to price into these higher ranges and kind of left me for dead, I guess. Well, I mean, I made money, made profit, but at the same time, it would have been nice to capitalize on the entire leg. But price had other ideas. It had places to be. So now we wait and capitalize on our next idea, right? No rushing, just allow it to be what it is, because if you know what's going on, you can take your time. You don't have to push. Or if you have I shouldn't say if you know what's going on, I should say if you have a good idea of what's going on, you're allowed to, not rush things, and take time to let the market set up and show you what it potentially wants to do, and use your skill set to adapt and attack. So from there, I appreciate it, guys, and we will see what happens in the next week. Thanks.